Hey everyone, it's Jeff. It's been a while, been about 6 months since I uploaded a video. Well, where I'm at right now is I'm in my new shop. A couple months ago I started renting this place in Pawtucket, Rhode Island, where I'm going to start a manufacturing facility. I'm going to have my own production shop here, primarily using a CNC. I've ordered a 5x8 CNC router and that's on the way. I've got a bunch of parts for it here already, but more are coming, hopefully pretty soon, so we can get started on manufacturing. In the meantime, I've been spending some time prepping the shop, getting things cleaned up, and getting some furniture built using prototype designs of mine that I've cut out at Jimmy's place. A couple months back, I went over to Jimmy DeResta's place, and he was kind enough to let me use a CNC for a little while. Cut out about 8 sheets of plywood worth of furniture. So I've got some of that built and working right now, and figured I'd give you guys a little tour of the shop, show you what I've been doing to prepare the shop, some of the work that I've been doing, and hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Once I get that machine, I'm going to be doing a lot more work, and hopefully I get to clue you guys into a little bit of it and get some videos out. First, start with where I've been sitting here. This is a small desk I built. This is where I'd probably set up and do any design work or kind of clean space work. Nothing special, just a couple 2x4s and some multi-perch plywood. These are some makeshift sound deadening panels, just made by making a 1x2 frame and putting a whole bunch of towels over it. Over here is where I'm going to be doing most of my assembly and finish work. Got 2 small benches here that should be sufficient for now. Got 1 coffee table on the bench. This has got its 2nd coat of finish on it, and I'm going to put its final coat on today. And over here we have its matching end table that just got glued up yesterday, and I start finishing it up today. You notice there's a lot of space over on the other side. I am sharing the shop with someone. There's about 1,000 square feet here, and I'm splitting it in half. So we'll call it there. Part of what I've been doing to prep the shop is I've been piping in dust collection. So got a whole bunch of hard pipe here that goes back out into another room where my dust collector is. I have an arm here on hinges that allow it to swing a little bit and give me a little room to work with on the CNC. So it only swings a few feet in the end here, I think about 4 feet, but that's enough to allow me to keep the hose short enough that it's not dragging on the CNC bed. This big open space here is where the CNC is going to go. Like I said, it is a 5x8 machine, so it is going to take up a considerable amount of space. Against this wall is where I'm going to have my sheet goods, and I'll be able to just tilt them right down and slide them onto the CNC bed to get them on. And as I remove them, I move them over to my workbenches, so it should be a nice, clean workflow there. I'll show you what I've done with our dust collection. We're going to have to move the equipment here. Go into this area here. This is the trash room, which is next to my shop. But in order to keep the noise down for our tenants in the building, so this is a pretty large building here in Pawtucket, I've piped in the dust collection all the way back over to this room, which was at one time a room intended for storing welding gases. So you can see here, this is a very thick wall. It's all steel and brick. About a foot thick, maybe a little bit more. And our dust collection pipes over into here. And over to a dust collector that sits on the floor there. So we'll head back into the shop and I'll show you why I've put this dust collector back over in this room here. And keeps things really quiet. Alright, so back to the shop here. We've recently had our dust collection piped in. Pretty quiet all in all. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my video. Check the links in the description below to go to my site, any of my social media, and I look forward to working here more and getting more content out for you. And since CNC isn't real woodworking, just get to sit back and relax here while the machine does all the work, right?